And then what was after that? What happened after that? And then Gavin did what? Really? What did Vivi say about that? Oh my goodness. Was it fun? Hey, I'm over here. Was it fun? Did you have a good time doing it? Oh my. Oh my. All right, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye, Pax. Hey. Say bye-bye.